Hello everyone, myself Princia Fernandez from St. Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College, Vasai East. Students, today we are going to learn our new chapter of Maths, chapter number 15, the calendar. Students, everyone use calendar, right? Why we keep calendar? Yes, to keep track of important dates and events. So let's see how calendar is important for us in this chapter. Look up at this year calendar. Write the information in the table below. So here first question is the festival in the month of October. Well, the festival which are month of October are Dussehra and Eid. Now the second is the holidays in the month of August. The holiday in the month of August are Raksha Bandhan, 15th August which is our Independence Day, and 22nd August is Ganesh Chaturthi. Third one, how many days after the 5th of December is Christmas? Well, after 20 days of 5th of December we have Christmas. That is on 25th of December. Fourth one, the dates of the Sunday in June. 7, 14, 21 and 28. These days are Sunday in the month of June. Look at the picture. Yeah, this is the Sonu's birthday party. So, Salma says, Sonu, in which year were you born? Sonu say, I was born on the 15th of January 2005. Tony say, today's date is 15th January 2015. It means that Sonu is 10 years old today. Salma say, my date of birth is 12th March 2006. In a whole year, I am 8 years old today. Now Tony say, so your birthday will be on 12th March 2015. And that day, you will be 9 years old. It means to tell someone age, count forward from the year of birth till the current year. I repeat again. If you tell someone age, count forward from the year of birth till the current year. For example, if Swati's birthday is 13 June 2005, she will be 9 years old on 13 June 2040. Understand? Now the question is, some people dates of birth are given in the table below. Write how many years of age they complete this year on their birthday. Now here they give the Sarika's birth date. It means 18/7/2002. So we will count forward from the year of birth till the current year. Means 2002 to 2020. So how many years she is completed? Yes, she is completed 18 years. So write down, Sarika will be 18 years old of age on her birthday this year. Now see the Mohan's birth date. Mohan's birth date is 14/5/2000. So counting forward from the year of birth till the current year, it means 2000 to 2020. So here how many years he is completed? Yes, Mohan completed this year 20 year. Now see the Ahmad's birth date. It is 1/2/2003. So count forward from the year. It means 2003 to 2020. So now Ahmad turned 17 year this year on his birthday. Now see the last birth date. Makhan Singh was born on 13/7/1977. So we have to count forward from the year. It means 1977 to 2020. Now counting forward from the year of birth till the current year. It means Makhan Singh will be 43 years old of age on his birthday this year. Find out some information. Here some question is given, so we will write the answer correctly. First is whose birthday come every 4 years and why? And the answer is, if any person is born on 29th February, then his birthday comes every 4 years, because in a leap year, the month of February has 29 days. Your second question is, which is your favorite festival? On which date did it fall last year? What is its date this year? Students, here you write your own answer. For example, Diwali is my favorite festival. Last year, that is in the year 2019, it was on 25th October. And this year, in the year 2020, it will be on 14th November. Third question is, write about different types of calendar. So you have to write the different calendar names here. So first is the Gregorian calendar, second the Indian solar calendar, third the Parsi calendar, fourth the Chinese calendar, and fifth the Islamic calendar. Now the fourth question, how do you work out age in the whole year, in month, in days? So answer, the age can be worked out by counting years from the year of birth to the current year. Then the month and days can be worked out from the date of the year of the birth. For example, Sonu's birthday is 15th January 2005. Her age on 17th February 2015 will be 10 years, 1 month and 2 days. Fifth one is, our country became independent on 15th August 1947. How many years have we completed after that? And the answer, we have completed 73 years in 2020 after independence. Now sixth is, India launched the satellite Aryabhatta into space. The year 2005 was the 38th year after this event. In which year was the satellite launch? Answer is, the satellite was launched in the year 1975. And the seventh question is, the year 1987 was the century of the birth of the great Indian mathematician Ramanujan. What does this tell us? Answer is, this tells us that Ramanujan was born in the year 1887. So please refer this question answer and write properly. Students, here I give you one activity assignment. It means write the date of birth of the people in your family and complete the table below. So you have to do this activity at your home. And one more thing, in your maths notebook, draw the calendar with pencil and also write down the question answer which I already explained you in this video. So write neatly and revise this lesson properly. Thank you. We will meet again.